star. Besides, he has been announced to be the world's largest uniform youth organization. It conducts various adventure activities to foster curiosity. Adventure activities like mountaineering, trekking, paragliding. NCC initiated mountaineering campaign in 1970, and till date we have successfully organized 86 expeditions and including 2 successful summits of Mount Everest. Continuing the trend, this year also NCC has planned 2 mountaineering expeditions in pre and post monsoon. As we have gathered here today to flag off NCC Girls and Boys Mountaineering Expedition to Mount Kangyatse 2. Today, we are not just witnessing the start of an expedition, we are witnessing the birth of unforgettable memories, personal growth and forging of lifelong bonds. Mount Kangyatse 2 is located in the scenic and beautiful Marga Valley of Ladakh region. Mount Kangyatse 2 stands at an altitude of 6,250 meters as a symbol of resilience, determination, and human spirit's indomitable will to conquer the impossible. The pre-monsoon expedition to Mount Kangyatse 2 is being led by Colonel Amit Bisht, Sena Medal. He is an experienced mountaineer who has successfully scaled more than 35 peaks to his credit and a recipient of coveted Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award by the President of India. May I now request the Deputy Team Leader, Major Soumya Shukla, to kindly come up on the stage for the presentation of the expedition.
मन ही मन को जानता, मन की मन से प्रिय, मन ही मन मानी करे, मन की मन का मन झूमे, मन बावरा, मन की अद्भुत रीत, मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत. This famous composition by a renowned Hindi poet explains beautifully the power of determination and commitment in our lives. And today, we stand here to celebrate the grit and determination of our brave cadets who volunteered and have finally been selected for this expedition as they embark on their journey of a lifetime experience. In next 3 minutes or so, I'll be briefing you about the conduct of this expedition, as well as I'll be showing you a short clip on the preparation and training done by the team for this expedition. Mount Kangyatse is located in the beautiful and scenic Marga Valley of Ladakh region. It stands mighty at an elevation of 20,500 feet and considered to be a challenging peak to summit. The main climbing season for this mountain is from June to September. And the primary reason why we chose this peak to summit is owing to its snow-capped peak and rugged terrain, which creates a challenging yet a very captivating climb for the novice NCC cadets. Now coming on to the team composition, the climbing team comprises of 2 officers, 3 GCOs, 7 NCOs and 24 cadets. And the support team has got 2 officers including a medical officer, 2 girl cadet instructors and 6 other guys. A selection trial was conducted to shortlist 24 cadets out of 34 basic and advanced mountaineering course qualified cadets who reported here for the expedition. The trials included specially created physical tests followed by written examination and personal interview to ascertain the physical fitness and mental robustness of these cadets. The team has a perfect balance in terms of experienced mountaineers and novice climbers. Now coming on to the preparation and training for the expedition. After the flag off, the team will be moving to Jawahar Institute of Mountaineering and Winter Sports, Pahalgam at Solmarg for 10 days of refresher mountaineering training. Besides honing their skills, the team will also undergo first stage acclimatization during the course of this refresher training. Now these are the broad timelines that the team is following for the conduct of this expedition. The team reported here on 10th, cadets reported on 20th, And after these selections and flag off, the team will be moving to Jawahar Institute of Mountaineering and Winter Sports on 30th. After the acclimatization and the refresher training, the team finally plans to start its expedition on 14th of June from Leh. So we have chosen two different routes for going in and coming out from the beautiful Martha Valley. For induction, we have planned to go via Martha and Nimaling, primarily owing to its gradual ascent for the better acclimatization of the team. Once we reach the base camp, which will be located at somewhere around 4,900 meters, the team will be split into two halves. While the first team will do its summit push, the second team will act as a reserve and also as the first responders in case of any medical emergency or any unforeseen situation. And vice versa for the second team. Post the summit, the team will be the from the shorter route, that is Kong Marula and Chuskirmo, to reach Leh. Now moving on to the most important factor, that is the safety measures and risk management during this entire course of expedition. So following the golden rule of the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war, the team will be undergoing a rigorous training under the experienced mountaineers from the team as well as from the gym. 24/7 medical support and a strict acclimatization schedule will be ensured to avoid any medical emergency. Real-time weather updates and state-of-the-art equipment will contribute greatly towards enhancing the safety parameters of the expedition. And last but not the least, a well-coordinated air evacuation plan has been put in motion to cater for any unforeseen situation.
May I now request the chief guest to kindly flag off the expedition team by handing over the ceremonial ISEX.